said, he has no prior felony record, and on the night in question, he and his brother and his cousin went up to play basketball at the I Promise courts. You may know, Your Honor, in fact I know that you know, that those courts were given to the neighborhood so kids in this situation could get off the streets and get somewhere safe in those well-lit all-night courts on a summer night. Sean was up there playing basketball with his brother and his cousin. He is 5'5", 130 pounds, and there was just the three of them on the court playing when a carload of kids, or carload of teenagers, I guess, adult teens, were pulled into the lot. At that point, they opened their windows and opened fire with what at the time seemed to be a fully automatic firearm. That weapon's in the custody of the police now. It turns out that it was a fully automatic paintball gun that had been illegally modified by freezing the ammunition. After these boys were sprayed with the firearm, then the boys from the other vehicle got out, chased them out of the court, assaulted them, and a fight did ensue where my client is alleged to have defended himself. That's going to be the gist of this case. Again, the investigation is ongoing. It's ongoing. It is a tragedy. The victim in this case, the young man who died, allegedly got punched, hit the ground, and hit the cement. Basically, the injury from the cement may have been what caused the ultimate damage here. We won't know all that until a later time. But I would ask you to take into consideration that these boys were on the basketball court, unarmed, doing what we want them to do, playing basketball, when kids from outside the neighborhood came in a vehicle, spraying them with this crazy paintball gun. With that being said, Your Honor, I think $1 million, 10% is a bond that's not appropriate. I would ask you to consider $500,000, 10%. Frankly, I don't think the families are going to make these bonds. I just want our position on the record, sir.
Sure. What's the bond recommendation office?
Your Honor, we're asking for the same bond as set on co-defendant, $1 million, 10% with maximum supervision, intermediate GPS restricted